This video will show you how to replace the deck belt on this Cub Cadet rider mower. Depending on your model, the instructions in this video may vary slightly. Always be sure to check your operator's manual for detailed instructions. Place your mower on a flat, level surface. Turn the engine off and make sure the engine is cool. Remove the ignition key. Disconnect the spark plug ignition wire. Put the deck height lever in its highest position. Place the wood block under the deck's edge for support, then lower the deck to the wood block. Remove the bolts that secure the belt cover, then remove the left belt cover. Remove the belt keeper rod and remove the deck belt from around the mower's engine pulley by releasing the tension bar. Put the deck height lever in its highest position. Pull the click pin out of the front deck hanger rod. Pull the J-hooks from the left side, then the right side to release the deck from the hanger brackets. Release the deck and remove the wooden block from under the deck. Pull the bow tie clip from the sway bar and remove the sway bar. Then slide the cutting deck to the right and out from under the mower. Loosen the nut and bolt which secure the two deck idler pulleys and remove the right deck pulley. Loosen the left fixed idler pulley. Release the idler arm tension spring. Remove the deck belt. Route the new deck belt. Reattach by following the previous directions in reverse order. Reattach the right deck pulley and arm bracket. Tighten the nut and bolt to secure the two deck idler pulleys. Slide the cutting deck back under the mower and then put the deck height lever in its lowest position. Replace the sway bar and attach it with the bow tie clip. Attach the hanger brackets to the decks with the J-hooks. Attach the deck hanger rod with the click pin. Route the deck belt around the mower's engine pulley and then attach the belt keeper rod. Attach the left belt cover to the deck with the bolts. Reattach the spark plug ignition wire.